be good. All right, so I stopped and I took a couple pictures before I put the shingle back on. So I don't have to re-lift anything. Get it in here. It's even. Again, I'll use that roof snake again. Try and prevent further damages. I mean, this roof's already very brittle. So I'll go ahead and get started. Again, the idea with the roof snake is we use it so we don't have to lift the shingle up so high, which is great for that. But then the roof snake, it hits the end of the tabs and causes damage there. They're a nice tool and they work well for what it's trying to prevent, but also in turn, in using this, it can cause additional issues, unfortunately. We'll be as careful as we can, but again, in order to get it where the shingle needs to be nailed, it causes damage. I mean, I'll mark it for you each time it happens. Right there, right here, both of those damaged now. That one didn't cause as much damage. It's not as noticeable, but you can still see there's granules kicking off right there. Do one more nail. My nail head bent on this one. Some more damage right where that roof snake was. All right, we're gonna reinstall these other nails on those other shingles. This one's failed already, but we gotta see it through. Seeing, it's gonna be hard to show on the video, but I'm even seeing mat transfer from this shingle to that shingle where I had to loosen it up. Right here, it's hard to show just because I don't want to yank the shingle up. Yep, bad mat transfer. There we go, some more damage there. Shingles aren't flexing back down because they've lost their pliability. All right, so we just finished this repairability test and it's another fail. You can see on the edges here, damage from the roof snake. Very bad mat transfer. Look at that. Both sides. You got the mat transfer. And then, not to mention, the granular loss. This one, this repairability test on this right slope is also a fail. Thank you.